making pumpkin macaron just in time for Halloween. So here I have powdered sugar, almond flour, egg white, pumpkin spice powder, vanilla extract, sugar, salt, orange food coloring. I also have a bigger bowl to dip in the powdered sugar, almond flour, and pumpkin spice and salt together, a sieve to sift it out, and also I have a tall glass with a piping bag and a tip adjusted to it, so that way I can easily pipe the macarons on the baking pan. So come on, I'll show you how to decorate it. The filling for inside the macarons. I'm going to be making a ganache filling, and it's 3 simple ingredients. It's heavy cream, chocolate, I chopped it up. It's bittersweet, but you can use milk chocolate, semi-sweet, or white chocolate. And I have butter, which I've softened to room temperature. Let me show you how to make it. After I took the ganache off the stove, I let it cool for about 10 minutes, and then afterwards I put it in the refrigerator so that it could get a little bit thick. Then I took it out, put it in a piping bag, and now I'm ready to fill the sandwiches of the macaron.